Okay, this is the spelling list for King Midas words. These have the Greek or Latin root words of port, odd, dec or deci, terra, and dict. So make sure that you include those Greek roots, Latin roots in your word when you're spelling them out. Piece of paper numbered 1 through 20. Here we go. First word is portable. They used a portable device to record everything. Portable. Number 2 is audience. The audience listened closely to the performance. Audience. Number 3, decade. There are 10 years in a decade. Number 4, territory. The Native Americans got a lot of their territory taken away. Territory. Number 5, auditorium. The play was happening in the auditorium. Number 6, dictionary. I used the dictionary to look up words. Number 7, terrace. I went out on the terrace to enjoy the warm weather. Terrace. Next one, reporter. The reporter asked a lot of questions. Reporter. Next one, make sure that it's a proper noun. December. December used to be the 10th month. December. Number 10, contradict. Everything that has been said about zoos contradicts the facts. Goes against the facts. Contradict. Next one, export. There are a lot of goods and services that we export to other countries. Export. Next one, decimal. We use a decimal in a number to show less than 1. Decimal. Number 13, audit. The tax man will audit all of the papers to make sure we're correct. Audit. Number 14, transport. I will need to transport the homework from school to home. Transport. 15, audition. Actors have to audition to get the part. Audition. Number 16, prediction. I will make a prediction about this story. Prediction. Number 17, import. We will import goods and services from other countries. Import. Number 18, this is a tough one. Jurisdiction. The police stay in their own jurisdiction. Jurisdiction. Number 19, decathlon. Decathlon. There was a decathlon held at the high school. Decathlon. And number 20 is terrain. They used a four-wheeler to go over the rough terrain. All right, and your bonus word is, I gotta think of a good one. Bonus word is denominator. Make sure your name's on the paper before you turn it in. Good luck.